Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we'll be doing some butterfly locks, also known as distressed locks, and this is how I achieved this look. So you'll need the hair, a pair of scissors, a comb, braiding wax, a crochet hook. This is the hair I used. You can use any hair used to make spring twists or passion twists, and for the curly hair you also get to decide the hair that you're going to use. So this is me sectioning the hair. I did large sections. I had a total of 34 locks on my head, so they were quite large sections. I used 2 strands of the spring twists for one lock. Depending on the size of the lock that you want, you can decide to either reduce if you want thinner locks or add the amount of the hair that you use for one lock if you want like thicker locks. So I crochet a piece of the hair, and then using the remaining hair I wrap around that braid and the crocheted hair and create loops while wrapping. So the number of loops that you want to create depends on you. It depends on how you want the lock to look like. If you want a smooth lock or a soft lock, you don't have to create any loop. If you want a messy lock, then you need a lot of loops. Also, if you want shorter locks, you don't have to add any more hair, but I wanted waist length locks, so I extended the length by adding more hair. It's really simple, you just add on and continue wrapping just like that, and don't forget to continue creating loops. Then I add in the curly hair at the end. And don't forget to knot to make sure that the curly hair is secured and it won't come off. Final touch up with the lock. And I'm done with my first lock and I love how it looks. So I repeat the same process all over my head. I'd say the most difficult part with doing your hair or with installing butterfly locks or distressed locks is the sectioning part. Once you're done with the sectioning, the installing is very easy, because all you need to do is wrap and create loops and then add in the curly hair and you're done. So once you're done with the sectioning, you're good to go. You can even get someone to section your hair for you, and then you install the locks by yourself. So this is my last lock. And I'm done with my last lock, so it's time to install the curly hair to create a boho look. The adding of the curly hair is totally random. You get to decide the amount of curly hair you want to add. I prefer not adding too much curly hair because it can get messy, especially when they tangle. This is the final look. I love the color. This is color number 30. Turned out great. I love the curls and I love the length and the size. So yeah, I hope you get to try this. Thank you so much for watching and please subscribe to my channel. Bye guys.